Today, we will make ham and cheese quiche with no-roll pastry. For the pastry, you will need 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of oil, and 2 tablespoons of milk. In a mixing bowl, add the dry ingredients. Add the oil and the milk. Mix to make a dough. Spread the dough into a 10-inch pie plate. Use your fingers to flatten the dough and form up the sides of the plate. Bake the pastry shell at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, until lightly brown, about 7 minutes. For the filling, you will need 1 cup of diced ham, 1 cup of diced onions, 3 eggs, 1 1/2 cups of milk, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of shredded cheese, your choice. Add 3 broken eggs to a bowl. Add pepper, salt, and the milk. Whisk until smooth. Place the ham and onion into a bowl. Mix lightly. Put the ham and onions into a baked pastry shell. Pour the egg mixture over the ham and onions. Spread the shredded cheese over the egg. Bake the quiche at 205 degrees Celsius, 4 degrees Fahrenheit, for approximately 30 minutes until the eggs are set. Cool for 15 minutes. Cut a slice and enjoy with tomatoes or a salad. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.